clouds above opened up and let it out.
From September 2013 through January 2014, floods hit a range of 200 miles in Colorado. Over $1 billion in damages. 17 different counties were affected. The hardest hit of these was Boulder County. We made it our mission to seek out families affected by the floods and to help rebuild what was taken away. This is John. Hey. It's going to be the most well-organized, epic trip to Colorado ever. Just updating consent forms and about to send an email out about the rafting trip, and getting ready to send out information about picking up the rental vans, all that good stuff. So everything that has to happen before we leave. I am looking forward to traveling to Colorado. I'd love to drive into Colorado to see those mountains ahead of you as you head west. But there's still you're doing good. 45 kids, 16 adults, and then some loser band. I don't know anything about it though.
Good and low. We got luggage and tools. Okay. And we'll put this.
Hi, John.
How are you?
Very tired.
Well, it's mission trip time.
Heyo.
Heyo.
I'm ready. I'm ready to do this thing. I've never been more excited about a trip. I've got chills up and down just right now talking about it. It's going to be a fabulous week, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for us. Head that way.
How's it feel to be in Colorado? It's California, isn't it?
We're ready.
We're ready!
I'm tired.
Dined on ashes, swung from chandeliers and climbed Everest. And none of it's gotten me close to.
So, you rocking the side ponytail. Word.
Paint all in it. Turn your head. Turn your head.
I was bending over like this, and it brushed. I'm actually painting with my ponytail, so.
In the flood, they had up to 5 feet in here, so like this much water, and then in the house it was 4 feet, 3 to 4 feet. So we are right now we're painting baseboards, but they've already redone almost the entire inside of the house, except for a few small things. And then the guys are in the crawl space. That's where they are. And Alex. They're in the crawl space, laying down tarp and stuff. And we cleaned out a whole bunch of gross stuff, like giant weeds.
Gross stuff.
Giant weeds that were like this tall. And we were pulling those out, and then driftwood. There was a shower that was not being used. Where's the bear? What? The bear? It's in the van. I found a bear, a really sad little teddy bear. So I kept it.
He said a lot of stuff had been had ended up there that wasn't theirs. So like they had how many gas cans? Like 7, I think.
That just kind of fled.
Yeah.
Hey!
We're putting up a vapor barrier to prevent moisture from getting up here because all of this was underwater during the flood. We're sort of putting the last sheet in right now.
So yeah, we basically just putting up plastic and gluing it onto the concrete, making it waterproof and all of that to help keep the moisture away from the wood of the house and keeps the house livable.
Right, we need to cut the end off too. You know, it's not meant to be easy.
Okay, over there's. It is cool. It's awesome.
This one's got a lot of piping. This one's gonna be tough.
Yeah. We thought it was gonna be like mud and stuff under here. We didn't know it was gonna be rocks. The water is like 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
The cobra. Oh, find the cat. There's a cat. Here it is. Find the cat's name. We don't know the first name.
We've been good even.
There was over about 2 feet of water. It came from a river down this way, but it came from this way. And there was like the mountains. Yeah, it was raining really hard in the mountains, and there was like the amount of water that was rushing in the river. There was like 100 times that. So it came all down here. There was like 2 feet of water, ruined her entire house. So we're helping rebuild it. We did all of that.
All of these nails.
We took nails out of boards. All of those boards.
This is a valley. Kind of metal thing. So this is where the water's going to go down. So we put this sheet metal to help.
And then we nailed it every 12 inches to keep it secure.
And then we're going to put the layer on top of that and then the shingles to overlap this. So all the water will run out.
What our girls have been doing is taking the siding off the house. We did the end, we're gonna do this. Oh, and Jonathan, one boy. And then we take all the nails out of it because we're gonna try to reuse the siding on this building over here. And that's about all we've done. Weed eat, picked up a bunch of trash and wood and moved it to another spot for it to be picked up. And that's about all. We're gonna try to finish this side today. And then tomorrow we'll start doing the wrap on it, the white wrap on this other part. And hopefully they'll be getting close to putting new siding on here.
It's time. It's time.
But this edition is all new. And then that's like the previous edition that survived the majority of the flood. Our homeowner is 89 years old. She's not able to help us with our project, but she's staying at her son's house, and her son is helping us with the project. So hopefully we'll get it finished, and then she can come move in.
Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, that I can't control. I want more of you, God.
Giving something completely to God, a life struggle, something that is really troubling you, is one of the most difficult things that you may ever do. And I really struggle fully putting my trust in God with everything. I try to take so much on myself, and I stress myself out. I make myself sick, and I sweat way too much, and I lose sleep way too much, because I'm worrying about too much. And sometimes I forget, in the midst of all that craziness, to stop take a deep breath. I remind people all the time to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, and to pray. And a lot of times I forget to do that. Just today, someone texted me, and I was stressed out about something back at home, and they said, don't forget to breathe.
You excited about today?
Yes, I'm so excited. Like, you have no idea how excited I am. Can you see it on my face? How excited I am.
Wait a minute.
I'm excited.
So, we're playing with the kids on trampoline. I've been trying to get Diane to get on the trampoline, but she's not getting on. Diane, get on the trampoline. Get on the trampoline, Diane. I don't know what she said, but I don't think it was nice. Let me. And then Ryan will take you downstairs and show you the tiling we've been doing.
So, we had about, most of where you see the grout inlaid is what was already done before we got here. And they just laid it down with the mortar, but they haven't grounded it yet, so we did that all yesterday. And then all this is the stuff we've just put in. This stuff, the spacers in between is newly laid down.
Put your thumbs against that. There you go.
So we're working at this bed and breakfast here in this tiny town of Drake in Colorado in the mountains, and we've been putting up sheetrock, lots and lots of sheetrock. That's what we're here to do. There were 4, 5, 6 inches of just like mud in here after the flood, and so they got all of that out, but all the sheetrock was just destroyed in the bottom half of the house, or bed and breakfast. So we've been putting up lots and lots of sheetrock. We have 5 rooms to do, a lobby, and then mainly the owner's quarters and all those different rooms in there and bathrooms and stuff. So that's just been really awesome. It's been a little difficult because there was a group here before us that had put in some stuff, and we've had to fix some of their stuff and like try to make ours fit in with theirs. So that's been difficult, but it's been fun and challenging, you know, like trying to work around like random spots and ceilings and like floors that are like 6 inches difference from one end of the room to the other.
Hey John, what do you want to bet I can throw a football over that mountain?
We're gonna use it all the way to the beans. Back, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. On the beans, okay, we're gonna take it back to here.
think they're fine. They haven't seen.
Alright! Take a seat, freshmen, after the adults.
Dirty bit. Dirty bit.
Hey, Pickles! Yeah! You know you kosher? Yeah! Some are sweet, some are sour, but all together, you got pickle power! Deal with it!
Calling all Autobots!
You're doing a really good Pat Thompson there.
What was once Chevron is now the Transformers. Roll call! Mega Mark!
Bumblebee.
Hot Rod. Optimus Prime.
Drift.
Ratchet.
It is ice Chevron was lame, so we made an executive decision.
We are the Transformers. Roll out!
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
You already know the praise of Jesus. From Texas to Colorado, we're the best team. We're the hardcore show, but never our name. Ladies and boys, go. Avengers!
here? Where my girl Akura be?
I'm right here, boo-boo. I'm right here. But where my boy Joe? I'm right here. Pigs unite.
A tough thing to do. Falling backward when you believe nobody's behind you. Walking on water. Or maybe it's just doing things that you don't feel comfortable doing. Maybe it's coming to Colorado. Your strengths lift each other up in such a way that allows you to do so much. You have this strength in you. But what else can we do with it? When we go home, what else can we do with it? Is it just done because we're not in Colorado anymore? Is it over because the mission trip is done?
Rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. Pickle power! Pickle
power! The owner, it's a woman, and I believe her husband lives here too, and she has a daughter, and her daughter lives with her, and her daughter has 4 sons. So there's a total of at least 5 or 6 people living in this house, and the daughter, something happened to her, and so she had to move in with her mom, and she and her 4 sons, and so now she's trying to find a job, and so she's been living with her mom for a couple months. Yeah. And they have really cute kittens. They're so cute. They're so small. Oh! Basically, what we've been doing is we had the roof with all the original shingles on it, and then all this wood and the shingles on this. So we have removed all of the shingles, and the wood on this roof is obviously not good. You can see that. So we are taking up all of the wood on this one and replacing it with new plywood. But we kept the wood on this one, and we've just we've nailed all of the top down, and then we started on these shingles. And then once they finish with this, we're gonna nail that tarp down again, and then we're gonna start on the shingles. And we're hoping we can get these shingles done by today.
He's wanting it to impact us because Scripture is revealing life. It's revealing reality. It's revealing what is true in the world, right? It's not just good witticisms or whatever. It really is. If you don't follow Scripture, if you don't let it change you, then you are going to either, one, not be living life abundantly, or you're going to end up being dead inside. And you're not going to be effective, you're not going to be fruitful in the kingdom of God, winning people to the Lord, doing good in the world. You're going to be either, one, sort of subpar or just completely ineffective. And the Lord is wanting you to be completely fruitful.
We've got 2 groups here. Flying Pigs and Star Wars. Star Wars. What do you need?
A mini crowbar, those like little...
It's been a while since we've used the nail gun. Oh, wait, we have 2. I've been there. Nah, you're good.
Anybody down there?
No!
I have a... You got a tape measure? Is that more than 5.5 inches?
So you can see the pattern stuff. Hardcore right here.
Oh yeah, I got my nail gun. About to build this
scary.
roof.
We
build this roof.
What do y'all need? 46-inch rafter tail.
No, that's not really technical. Say it again.
It's 46-inch rafter tail, John.
I don't even know what that means.
I don't know what that means either. So it's, you know, the boards that stick out at the edge of the roof. Those are rafters, and the end of it's the tail.
Yeah, the
So
tail.
now you two can impress your friends. Technical.
Hey guys, I gotta go take care of
technical
46-inch,
jargon.
rafter.
That's what I want.
Now, is all this, is any of this fresh or is this old school? Because it's been here.
It's all old.
All the installation?
Yeah, it's all old insulation.
Man, we only got 4 days. What do you want from us?
All old decking. See how it's sagging.
And they have really cute kittens. They're so cute. They're so small. Oh! Look at this! How cute is it? Oh my gosh, bus 7. Petting the kittens. Cutest thing ever. Shade it.
My stockings is just double stuffed Oreo. Let me see. I want you to facial look. You're so cute. I love you.
Oh. 2 years ago with St. Louis, I don't know. We had kittens and dogs at our site, and I don't think Emily bad. I think we lost her for about 3 or 4 days net because of the animals. Probably going to go.
What were you doing?
Sawing, or not sawing, cutting shingles. I don't even know how I did it.
Hey, Shaw!
I do not appreciate being made fun of. I'm not making fun of you. I want to see it. Get in there, man. Yeah. Say you're making fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you.
Yes, you are. I love you anyway. Gotta get up.
Do the Clella. It's gonna look great.
I move like my hips. It's like.
Cut that out. You just did that on camera. Cut that out.
Oh, hug it. Oh my, that's what it's called.
Where are we going? Swimming? No, sir. We are staying out of the water.
Oh my gosh, that water's cold! Oh.
I thought we were going to practice first.
This is our practice.
Oh my gosh, it's pretty
Isaiah 40:31. But those who trust in the Lord will find a new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. It's going to be that kind of wisdom, that kind of prophecy that says, from this group here, we're going to have people that change the way we do worship in the church. You guys, you're going to be a part of that movement. So that would be a prophecy, that experience where we felt like maybe I'm not worthy to be called your son anymore. Because I screwed up royally, I'm guilty. I have shame. I know I deserve condemnation. But being known by God is altogether scandalous. God's ways are not our ways. His thoughts are higher than our thoughts. Again, that's from Isaiah.
I'm starting to see the kids that I took on 8th grade night now start to graduate, and that's just a joy that I can't seem to find a replacement or a replication of in anything that I do. But something that I've been able to watch this group of seniors do is watch out for each other. In the struggles that they've been through in their lives, whether or not it be health issues or a car accident or a breakup, whatever it might be. I have watched this group of seniors help pick each other up. It's a great group of empathizers. It's almost like when one's hurting, they're all hurt. And it's been such a joy to be a part of that. And you guys have set such a great example for those that are going to come after you. But it's been a joy to watch you guys grow together.
Spin me round again and rub my eyes. This can't be happening when busy streets a mess with people would stop to hold their heads heavy.
Look around the people around you. back and forth. Look at them. You're going to have these people as your friends for the rest of your life. Like John said, be there for them, get their back, stick up for them. Just be there for them. These people have helped me through everything. Like Madison has helped me through so many situations I can't recount. And Emily, she's like my sister. We have no filter. Megan, she's like the sweetest, most nicest person I've ever met on this planet. Kyla, I feel like I can always open up to you. Oh, hello. Kaylee, we used to have so many inside jokes. It's crazy. And I just love you all for it. And I cherish it.
My first mission trip was right after, I think about 4 weeks after I had major jaw surgery. And I was a huge liability. I was probably not even much help, but it healed me in more ways than I ever thought possible. And it taught me that when I stray furthest from the church, that's really when I need to be here the most. Our group has been there for each other through it all. I mean, through pumpkins and I hope that every group is just like this, or even better. You know, look out for one another, it doesn't matter who, and watch for those who need it. Because this can be some of the best moments of your life, and if I could go back, I 100% would, because I had no idea that 4 years would pass this fast. So thank you all, and thank you, John.
I just want to tell all the freshmen, make sure you stay in it into senior year, because it's totally worth it. And the people you're sitting next to now, what Alex said, they'll be with you through your senior year, and you'll be able to count on them through anything.
These aren't your friends. I mean, they're your family. You grew up together, you're going to continue to grow up together, so don't lose them, because they're your best friends.
It's weird because during trips like this, mission trip and quad tour, we spend a whole week together, and we're excited at the beginning, and then towards the end we get tired of each other. But then after a couple days we're home, we're like, where are my friends? And we're texting each other, and we really miss each other, and it's weird. But yeah, like Megan said, it's because we're family. We're always there for each other, and I don't know where I would be without you guys.
Freshmen, stay in it, because you will create your best friends here.
And it's, I don't know, I just honestly, like Megan said,
They're my family, and I don't know where I would be without them and what I would have done. And I've gone through some of my toughest times, from my first mission trip in Galveston, 8th grade mission trip, to now, and they have always been there for me. Honestly, they're your best friends, and they're your family, and they will be there for you until the very end.
So open your eyes and see the way our horizons meet, and all of the lights will lead into the night with me. And I know these scars will bleed, but both of our hearts bleed. All of these stars will guide us on and on. I can see the stars from America. those nights when I couldn't be there. I've made it harder to know that you know that somehow we'll keep moving on. There's so many